It's no secret Stuart Russell wrote a book on AI. It's no secret that he filmed slaughter bots in the sky. He said success will be his story's biggest event, or the last one, cause our race will be dead. It's no secret all the experts in 2015 signed an open letter warning that AI might get mean. From the head of Google Research to the founders of DeepMind, they are telling you you're blind. Ooh, the canary choked in the coal mine. What experts spoke should chill our spine. Our vanity won't hear outcry. Use sanity or end is nigh. It's no secret Bill Gates said he doesn't understand why about AI some people are not concerned. Steve Wozniak from Apple and Sir Clive from Sinclair say humans will be replaced and disappear into thin air. Ooh, the canary choke in the coal mine. What experts spoke should chill our spine. Our vanity won't hear outcry. Use sanity or end is nigh. It's no secret that these people know this danger best, so their warnings are intended to wake up all the rest. It's our wake up call, our last chance to survive. We'd better listen if we want to stay alive. Ooh, 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 ooh.